3 years ago, we embarked on an incredible journey to bring a forgotten truck back to life. Today, I'm thrilled to finally reveal the transformation of Long Bed Larry. But before we unveil the finished masterpiece, let's take a trip down memory lane and revisit how we got here. It all started when I found Long Bed Larry, a diamond in the rough. I drove to Middleton, Idaho and picked him up on December 11th, 2021. 3 years ago. As we unloaded him from the trailer, it was clear this was going to be a massive project. Mismatched body panels, missing parts, and boxes upon boxes of components in unknown condition that may or may not belong to this truck. Going through those bins felt like a treasure hunt. Some parts were gems, others not so much. But with every piece, we got a clearer picture of the task ahead. Our first and most daunting task was to build the engine. Introducing our 5.9 P-pump 12-valve Cummins. The engine was completely torn down. Thankfully, the essential machine work had been completed, giving us a solid foundation. Enter Cade Whipple, a subscriber who became an integral part of this build. Over 2 intense days, we rebuilt the engine from the ground up. Piece by piece, bolt by bolt, Long Bed Larry's heart started to beat again. Building an engine isn't just about mechanics. It's about precision, patience, and passion. Together we brought a new life to this powerhouse. Thanks to the help of Cade, what would have taken me months to complete was finished in one weekend.
Oh, would you look at this?
Time to tackle bodywork. We rolled up our sleeves and got to work, sanding down years of wear, repairing dents, and prepping for paint. Oh boy. Oh boy. One guy's holding it on. It's barely past the balance point. Oh my gosh! Con cuidado! Seeing as how I couldn't trust professionals to sandblast the cab, I had to take on the job myself. Painting the cab in my own garage was a challenge, but the results were worth it. There's something incredibly satisfying about seeing that fresh coat of paint transform the cab completely. Next up was the transmission, a 5-speed NV4500 that needed a full rebuild. This transmission is known for its strength and reliability, making it the perfect match for our freshly built engine. The NV4500 does have one weak point, the 5th gear nut. Go check out that rebuild video to see how I addressed this common issue. After rebuilding it, we paired it with a Valair dual disc clutch, ensuring Long Bed Larry could handle all the power we were about to unleash. Connecting the transmission to the engine was a pivotal moment, bringing together two critical components of the drivetrain. Working by myself can be difficult, but pulling off tasks like this are quite rewarding. With the powertrain ready, we turned our attention to the chassis. Upgrading the rear suspension with 63-inch Chevy springs improved ride quality and handling. Installing new brake lines and fuel lines was meticulous work, but essential for the safety and performance of the truck. The foundation was set and the pieces were starting to come together. Mounting the cab on the frame was a significant milestone. It felt like we were finally assembling the puzzle. We installed the brake booster, wiper motor, and tackled the complex wiring harness. Electrical work can be daunting, but taking the time to get it right pays off in reliability down the road. Every connection mattered, bringing us one step closer to that first start. The moment of truth arrived. Time to start the engine. Hearing it roar to life was exhilarating. All the hard work was paying off. We did it, guys. That is awesome. It sounds like the old Kubota I had here on the channel for a while without the turbo on it. We couldn't resist taking Long Bed Larry for a spin even without the doors, fenders, or the bed. It was a raw and thrilling experience, showcasing the power and potential of the truck. The obvious next step was to ditch the milk crate. To blend classic style with modern comfort, we installed seats from a 2022 Ram Laramie. Fabricating custom brackets was a challenge, but it was worth it to have comfortable, adjustable seating in our vintage ride. Those seats not only look great, but also make driving Long Bed Larry a joy, even on long road trips. However, the truck literally came screeching to a halt during that test drive. You'll have to go check out that video to see what the issue was. With the body assembled, it was time for the finishing touch, a professional paint job. We transported Long Bed Larry to the painter, where he spent 6 months getting a flawless finish. The wait was long, but seeing the truck with its new paint was breathtaking. The color, the shine, it all came together beautifully. Back in the garage, we focused on the final assembly. Mounting the doors required precision to ensure perfect alignment. We completed the interior and added the finishing touches that make the truck feel complete. Under the hood, we detailed the engine compartment, making sure everything was not only functional, but looked great. The side molding and red pinstripe added that extra flair, highlighting the truck's classic lines. I also had a local company install a killer bed liner. rusted shell to stunning classic, this truck has been transformed through dedication and hard work. Take a look at the shine, the stance, the attention to detail. Every hour spent, every challenge overcome has led to this. Inside, the modern seats blend seamlessly with the classic interior. Under the hood, the rebuilt engine stands ready to deliver power and reliability. Seeing Long Bed Larry back on the road is the culmination of a 3-year journey, a testament to what perseverance and passion can achieve. But we didn't stop at just looking good. We put Long Bed Larry to the test with a 1,300-mile road trip. Through highways, hills, towing a trailer, and everything in between, the truck performed flawlessly. Comfortable, powerful, and reliable, the road trip proved that this classic isn't just a showpiece, it's built to be driven and enjoyed. Every mile was a reminder why we do what we do, bringing old iron back to life, not just for display, but to experience the joy of the open road. Long Bed Larry has been a journey, to say the least. We've had our triumphs, we've also had our setbacks, but in the end, we completed it. The Long Bed Larry is also more than just a truck. For me, it's a symbol of embracing progress and finishing a project instead of being deterred by perfection. I hope this build series inspires you to work on one of your own projects, maybe a car, maybe a truck, something you've got sitting around that you've wanted to work on. Get out and start working on it. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about learning. It's about creating. It's about building something with your own hands that you can be proud of. I also want to thank all of you for joining me on this journey. It has been your support and your enthusiasm that has got me through this project. If you enjoyed this recap of the build of Long Bed Larry, make sure to go check out the playlist on my channel. You'll see all the details, all the triumphs, all the setbacks, all the frustrations. With that, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future projects we build. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What is your favorite part about Long Bed Larry? What was your favorite part in the process? Or what would you have done different? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Until the next video, make sure to keep pushing forward on your own projects. Remember, done is better than perfect. With that, we'll see you guys in the next video.